Hello everybody, welcome to the PCG Essentials course. It will consist of multiple tutorials. They will be all added to a single playlist, and starting from today I'll upload the first tutorial, and after a week it will publish for all members. Now it will be available for everybody that's joined as a game developer or higher level. So each week I'll release the new tutorial, and the members will be 1 week earlier for each tutorial. So let's start first with some overview of the course. Imagine building entire worlds in seconds, forests that grow with logic, cities that design themselves, and details that feel hand-placed but aren't. That's the power of the procedural content generation, and Unreal Engine makes it easier than ever. With the newest 5.6 updates, the interface is easier, all the functions are polished, you can create graphs easier than before and have more power and options to you. So what is PCG? PCG is the art of using rules and logic to generate content automatically, and when you have to do revisions, it's simpler to do it in one place of the graph that will update everything that's placed with this graph. So it allows you to do fast iteration, non-repetitive results, and it's easier to scale than manually placing everything. And it is very optimized for great performance because it's using instant static meshes. You don't need to worry about combining all your static meshes into ISMs. It will do it automatically for you. You have the option to generate at runtime directly on GPU. We'll look at this as well later in the tutorials. As an indie developer, PCG helps you to get more done with less time and fewer resources. And how does it actually work in Unreal Engine? We'll be looking at that in the tutorials in this course. But first, let's show you how to load this plugin into your engine. Start by going into the Edit menu, then Plugins folder, and here search for Procedural Content Generation, and you should find this Procedural Content Generation framework. Make sure that this checkbox is marked, and you will be prompted to restart the engine. If you want to work as well with the geometry script combined with the PCG framework, you need to load this as well. We'll have a tutorial on working with the geometry script, but for all the other tutorials you will not need this additional plugin loaded. And after your engine has restarted, you will now be able to go into any folder of your project, right click and create a PCG graph. So in the following tutorials I'll show you how to create graphs and what goes inside the graphs, what are the steps to generate a graph, the major parts of the graph, and how to work with each and one of them. So guys, hope that you will like this course. Subscribe for the channel to not miss any of the tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.